Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show how to factory reset most Samsung Galaxy phones. This process is very easy and fast. The first thing is have your phone off. Now you want to press the top volume button, the power button, and the home button at the same exact time until you see the Galaxy logo. Now remove your finger off of the power button and keep holding the top volume and home button until you see the dead Android logo. From here, using your volume rockers, go down to wipe data and factory reset. Accept this option by pressing the power button. Now go all the way down to yes, delete all user data, and select. Wait until it says data wipe complete. Once finished, you want to select the first option and reboot now. From here, your Galaxy phone will reboot, which will take only 1 to 2 minutes. And from here, you can set up your phone as if you got it brand new out of the box. Well guys, thanks for watching. If this video helped, make sure to like and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys on the next video. Peace out.